English Listening Test for Kids, Starter Level, Test 11. 1. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. 2. My favorite fruit is watermelon. My favorite fruit is watermelon. 3. What day is it?
It's Tuesday today.
What day is it?
It's Tuesday today.
4. What's that?
It's a cat.
What's that?
It's a cat.
5. What's the weather like?
It's stormy.
What's the weather like?
It's stormy.
6. I can play tennis. I can play tennis. 7. There are 3 snakes. There are 3 snakes. 8.
I can play the piano. I can play the piano.
9. My favorite vegetable is cucumber. My favorite vegetable is cucumber. 10.
It is a blue hat. It is a blue hat.